Hello tree lovers, I'm Joel Mizell with the tree planters at thetreeplanters.com. We're looking at a medium-sized Bismarck palm. This tree is stunning. It's set up over on the side of this yard. You really can't see it if you're coming from the other direction because it's behind that big oak tree. But when you're coming back, bam, there it is in all of its beauty. This tree has about 15, 16 foot of trunk height. Total height might go as high as 22, 23, 24 feet. But if you're not familiar with the Bismarck palm, they are enormous and beautiful. They have a gray, green, blue color. Very rare for a palm tree, that color. Total height will go up to 40, 50 feet. The spread will max out at about 22 to 25 feet. So we have an unlimited supply of Bismarcks, small ones, large ones, and we install everything we plant. So when you get a tree like this, it's going to include installation with a 1-year guarantee. Go to thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, place your order, and we'll get your tree in right away. Have a good day.